Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, the phone with Pdanet Plus and the laptop with the desktop client installed. Enable USB debugging and pick a good USB cable because a flaky cable ruins tethering. Once done, plug the phone into the laptop and allow any driver prompts. Drivers let the OS talk to the phone. Make sure airplane mode is off and mobile data is enabled. Pdanet relies on the phone's connection to share internet with your laptop. Next, you establish the actual link. On the phone, choose USB tether or Wi-Fi direct hotspot, and on the laptop, open the Pdanet client and match that mode. If you chose USB, watch for driver installations, accept them so the network adapter appears. If using Wi-Fi direct, pair the devices through the app and laptop Wi-Fi settings. Once connected, Pdanet creates a virtual network adapter. Validate by checking the laptop's network icon and verifying a local IP. Finally, confirm internet access by loading a website and checking speeds. You want to know it's stable. If pages fail, flush the laptop DNS cache and reconnect Pdanet. Sometimes a simple toggle fixes routing. Make sure battery saver or data saver features aren't restricting background tethering on the phone. If the carrier blocks tethering, enable Pdanet's hide tether option if supported, and as a last resort, restart both devices. These steps resolve most issues quickly. If not, recheck driver.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.